This is me shooting my new BB gun I just won at a fair. Oh, that one hit the fence. I can keep that one.
Now the back of your head was on that one, honey.
As long as they don't see my face. I'm gonna try and shoot this one through the fence. Oh yeah.
I didn't catch that one.
Oh, this cock. One more. Is that it? I think that's all. There's still stuff in there. I think that's it.